but the underpinning of blockchain and gathering on the upsides of by and large decentralized finance. DeFi ELROND set the norm of being the first blockchain in the world with a genuine state sharding plan for sensible flexibility, killing energy and computational waste, while ensuring commonly passed sensibility on through a secure proof of stake SPOS understanding instrument, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. This momentous part sort of implies that data associated with trades will commonly sort of get collected freely and not among the truly different information on a comparable block, subsequently working with the exceptional speed of trades, permit us to analyze the continuous nuances of ELROND and grasp the ELROND cost assumption for what the future holds. ELROND entered crypto space in the year 2020 or so. They thought having especially significant solid areas for an on-security ELROND network generally is in a real sense attempted to ensure assurance from realized security issues like the Sybil attack. Amazingly point of fact, ELROND has kind of unprecedented kind of potential and will commonly generally be the most by and large engaging computerized monetary standards, essentially for its nearby token EGLD that ensures high flexibility security joined with speed scaling a zenith of 200 for certain on a very more significant specific assessment at the expense, kind of, as opposed to mainstream thinking. ELROND engages approval less line less overall trades and especially embraces the web economy improvement. It won't be an embellishment to name the capacity of EGLD tokens as stimuli in doing really keen agreement costs and move saves in a significant manner. The main factors that generally push the expense of ELROND especially are the speed and moderateness that engage kind of speedier overhauls execution, achieving faster and secure trades. EGLD the ups and downs the gems and crowns, presently the ELROND EGLD cost today truly is trading around 19,129 with a genuinely slight in every way that really matters brief modification over the span of late hours in a significant manner. The market capitalization has extended to 415,089,833,352 with a streaming reserve of 21,694,175 EGLD in a by and large huge manner. An extraordinary especially arrangement can for the most part be by and large said about the evident journey in a significant manner. A sharp rising certainly went into the modification stage, and in the range of a month the trading volume basically stayed at 26,180,203,755, which is genuinely huge, practically tantamount. Examples and twists generally happened till 2017 in an unpretentious manner in December. The EGLD cost shot up followed by an expense cure in 2018 summers. The sluggish stage generally happened for the cryptographic cash, and the choice of EGLD sort of added a jump forward. The beginning of 2019 especially was a gift for this stage, as the EGLD really token in every practical sense was kept on the notable exchange a significant way. Beside that there basically were various gifts announced by the originators through audit ads for cash for the most part, in opposition to prevalent thinking raising the toast to a significant 177. The coin basically got some nice positive progress, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. The dying down time of pandemic brought flood galore for the coin, giving it a consistent bullish generally push, regardless of the way that put in a significantly unsound universe of computerized types of cash in every practical sense, extraordinary components like tight security shows, and a very undeniable level estimation truly expect a genuinely huge part in affecting endeavors in a huge way. The in every practical sense fundamental essentially objective of the ELROND bunch especially has been to ensure straightforwardness and all the while security. Finding congruity in both could basically be a kind of outrageous test in a genuinely significant manner, considering an especially reasonable computation. ELROND EGLD especially has both transient shows and conceivable for the most part long stretch advantages. Considering the ELROND EGLD cost assumption and our own personal investigation, the EGLD coin could generally reach 184,420 constantly's end, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Considering the ELROND guess there really is a significant assortment between the base and most noteworthy expense, which by and large makes it trying to generally pick, regardless of whether to buy ELROND incredibly consequently it in every practical sense is ideal to acknowledge the base assumption generally speaking confirming it as in a real sense help of 21,021, essentially the most ideal situation, incredibly, notwithstanding the way that there essentially were changes and enhancements happening in ELROND blockchain development. This asset remained drowsy to move an inch, to really put it transparently. Various monetary sponsors didn't have an idea about the asset even commonly existed in a significant manner, yet the essential clarification sort of is at this point hazy. There certainly is news that could sort of be a direct result of planners, most certainly articulating their mechanical progress, and a kind of restricted time event caused a trigger, ensuring united blockchain cybersecurity and articulation, and all the in every practical sense, all the more basically a reality, according to the obvious data and specific examination since November 2021. The expense generally was showing cure in an especially large manner, notwithstanding the way that there was a truly slight recovery, generally found in the genuinely fundamental multi-day stretch of April 2022. In a very enormous manner, however, after that the expense again fell, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. In case the expense goes up, ELROND cost will show a quite certain example as soon as possible, or so they thought. ELROND price predictions 2022 to 2026. ELROND price prediction 2022, taking into account there in every practical sense, are no surprising shocks, or a stony way forward for computerized currency market. ELROND, for the most part, is excellent to truly demand solid areas for its as a huge interest among its monetary supporter sort of neighborhood, essentially is genuinely critical. The road ahead explicitly is stacked with pedals, gave the monetary backers sureness, keeps impacting, achieving a gigantic truly push to the expense of ELROND, taking it to sort of cross all deterrents, scaling 21,782, which especially is very huge as explicitly showed by the EGLD cost figure 2022. The very ordinary expense in every way that really matters should by and large reach 20,593, and in a real sense, the smallest expense to 19,235, which all things considered is very huge. ELROND price prediction 2023. As explicitly demonstrated by our ELROND cost figures, trained professionals, these basically features can help this emblematic increment a ton, substantially more excessive expense of 24,849, and particularly the smallest expense of 20,738, in a fundamentally enormous manner. The run-of-the-mill cost of ELROND may especially be 23,069, in a sort of significant manner, in the event that the drive for helpful crypto market in every practical sense happen into 2023. The EGLD cost could sort of attempt, and especially see a perspective rush. These costs show certainly more improvement than that of ELROND cost figure 2022, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. ELROND price prediction 2024. There may basically be somewhat slight amendment found in the year